Hey there! Want to learn how to build your online business, but long work hours getting to you? Frustrated with steep learning curves? And you don't have the deep pockets to hire a coach or mentor? No problem, because starting today, you can learn everything you need to know to build your online business on a budget. You've heard success stories of people generating income beyond their wildest imagination. From stories of a single mother making 5 figures a month to the college dropout building a multi-million-dollar business right out of his bedroom. These are cool and sometimes heartwarming stories, but when you try it out yourself, you start to notice these stories leave out a lot of details. And I mean like a lot. That's when you realize that building your online business isn't as easy as you've been led to believe. And one of the most frustrating things that annoy most beginners is the technical details. Things like, how do I set up my web hosting account? How do I get a domain name? How do I add my buy button? How do I make my web pages more search engine friendly? The gurus sure make it look easy. Well, good news! I've come up with a series of video tutorials to show you how to overcome your technical challenges. Unlike most step-by-step books and guides out there, I've got these done for you in video format, so you can see what's on screen and you just follow. This is as easy as it gets. If pictures speak 1,000 words, then videos do 1,000,000. Introducing the ultimate solution to learning how to build your online business by yourself, the I Am How-To videos. This is a series of on-screen video tutorials covering everything you must know as an internet marketer. These step-by-step video tutorials are specially and carefully designed by an internet marketer for internet marketers. Even if you consider yourself a novice or hopeless with computers, you're about to leave your limited beliefs about yourself behind. While it's a long list, here's a rough idea on what you get to learn. How to get a domain name and link it to your hosting account. Basic hosting configurations, so you don't have to trouble your tech guy for every small matter. How to create your first list on autoresponders like Aweber and GetResponse. How to write your follow-up and broadcast emails. How to install WordPress. Configure WordPress. How to create and add your buy buttons from PayPal, JVZoo, ClickBank, and Warrior Plus. How to set up a sales funnel on marketplaces like JVZoo and ClickBank. Look, these are essential skills to learn, and this is what makes you an online marketer in the making. But the list doesn't stop here. You also learn how to run ad campaigns with Google AdWords, basics on how to use Facebook for fan page building and group creation, on-page and off-page SEO techniques, and the list goes on. No more guesswork, no more figuring it out. Your frustration with technical details ends today. Skip all the trial and error right now by clicking on the order button below. Secure your instant access and start learning the ropes of how to pioneer your online business. Or you can also get this for your employees, interns, or virtual assistants if you run a team. Click on the Buy Now button to secure your instant digital access.